Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to pull up this carpet bar because we're going to lay tile in this area right here and we need to get rid of that bar. So let's get right to it. We need two tools. We need a pry bar and we need a hammer. I'm going to bend this carpet bar up just a little bit to get the carpet pulled out of it. Let's start over here. There we go. Get your carpet pulled up. Be real careful not to hit that tack strip right there because that will hurt your finger. Okay, now that that's up, let's pull this carpet bar up. And that's going to do it. Easy enough. We've got all this up. Now I can lay my cement board and get my tile laid. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll catch you on your next project.